In this video, we will learn how to use a remote database, hosting a database using MongoDB Atlas. So simply go to Google and search MongoDB Atlas and click on the first link. So after you just need to click get started so that Atlas remote server will open. In that you need to register with your account. I am not doing it because I have already have an account in this Atlas. So if you open the Atlas, it will look like this. Interface will be very user friendly. You can create a new cluster after opening this project. You can give any name of this project and create cluster. You just need to create cluster. You can give any name, like let us give natures. uh, Simply just click okay, so that it will free. Optional, just click create deployment. See, it is just continue with free account. Do not do any payment because we need not no need of anything on those features. Just click on this free and continue with default options and just click create cluster. See, our cluster has been created. Current IP address not added, so we need to add this IP address here. Current IP address added, and see add data and load sample data. You can let me connect username and password. You can give username anything. I will give something like tools or like that. Some usernames. Password you can create anything. Copy the password. Create database user. Add your current IP address. Add IP address. Then choose a connection method. Compass. I have MongoDB Compass installed. So just continue with default options. Copy the connection string. Actually, we have copied password, right? So we just need to enter the password in config.env. Simply create database password variable. For that, you can give your password. I think I have not copied it. Let me copy again. Go back. Where is the password? Okay, let me enter manually. I have created something like this. That's it. It has compared locally. Now after entering password there, just already installed it. Just copy this connection string and open the Compass application. MongoDB Compass. It will take time. Just simply add a new connection and give your URL. Name you can give like matches. Connection failed. Okay, it is connected. I have entered wrong password before, that's why it is not connected. Now enter correct and it is working as it is connected to Natures. Now you have successfully established MongoDB connection and hosted a database in remote. Now let us configure our config.env here with our MongoDB string. Now let us create a new database inside this natures connection. Just give something like tools database in collection and create database. Inside tools we have tools. We can insert some data like clicking add data, insert document. Just give like some name. Name is the forest and I forgot to mention. Next give some price 200 and rating 2.749. We can insert the document. Okay, I have written inside. Actually, we need to write outside that ID object. So let me write again the forest and give some price and some rating. You can also declare the type, I guess, format and copy, and this is new. Okay, now it is added. Let me delete this. Yeah, now our object is there, ID and name forest. Price is this one and rating is this one. Now if you come to our Google Chrome again and come to this MongoDB clusters, if you click on this clusters, your clusters will load and our first, if you click on this cluster 0 and if you load collections, yeah, if you click on this cluster connect, it is loading connecting. See, our cluster natures, inside natures we have created our tools collection, and see our document has successfully loaded. That means our database has been successfully created and connected and hosted in remote server. So now we can give access to this database anywhere, or we can maintain it privately. If you come here sidebar and go to this access option, access management. See in sidebar, if you come on security and database and network access, here we can edit and just simply where we need to give database user privileges, read and write to any user and update user. IP access list, here we can whitelist any, you will be able to connect to a customer from the list of following the IP address. So click on this. Here on the right side, if you click add IP address, you will get Atlas only client projects. Here you can add as many IP address if you want to give access to as many users. Here I do not want to give access to anyone, so let me cancel it. And that's it about our clusters, creating and hosting a database in remote using MongoDB Atlas and MongoDB Compass. Thank you.